Let's start with our side effects module JS file. Notice that we have a console log statement at the very top. This line will execute as soon as we import this module, which is a side effect. A side effect is any application state change that is observable outside the called function besides its return value. In this case, the observable change is the output to the console. Here we have a counter variable initialized to 0. This counter is going to help us track the number of times the increment counter function is called. This is the increment counter function. Its sole job is to increase the counter's value by 1 each time it's called. Immediately after declaring the function, we call increment counter. Note that this is not inside another function. Due to this function call, the counter will be incremented to 1, even before we export it or use this module anywhere else. Finally, we're exporting our counter variable. Because we've called increment counter, already, the exported value of counter will be 1, not 0. This is a clear side effect as the state of counter has changed due to the import and not any direct interaction. Now, let's move over to the main JS file. We're requiring our side effects module JS module here. Remember, as soon as this line is executed, Node.js runs all the code in side effects module JS, including incrementing the counter and logging the message to the console. After the import, we log the value of counter to the console. Due to the side effect caused by importing the module, this value will be 1, showing that the module's code was executed during import, and the counter was incremented before we could even use it.